Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey, yay, hey, hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke here, Aneke Budgets, and on here we do what? Cast up and budget and paying off for debt and mind or business, and baby, what? Not necessarily in them for orders. But if there's something you're interested in, would like to see, join the family, okay? Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave your comments down below, because no shade, no tea, baby. Let's do an expense tracking with me, all right? Let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I've zooped y'all in up into my business like I usually do, okay? Get into it. So, we are doing the third week in September, y'all. It is the third week. The third week in September, and that is from the 15th through the 21st, and we are gonna go ahead and write down what happened. This shouldn't be a long video, child, because baby, when I tell you I've been doing a damn thing, the red Sharpie is here to show y'all the business that I laid down on this week. So yeah, let's start. I need some a black pen so I can, oh no, it's the pink pen, child. Where's the pink pen? Got me the pink pen so I can write out my business, and got me the sticker book so we can go ahead and show you guys. Now I did spend, oh no. So last week I did buy that drinking water, which I think I told you guys about. If you watch my budget with me, go ahead and check it out. You'll find out the tea. But yeah, I did that budget with me last week, and I had to buy water, and it was supposed to be on the 13th, but for whatever reason, like, I didn't do it on the 13th. I put it as no spend day, so I'm basically going to take one of my days here and put it on. That literally was an official no spend day, because baby, as you guys can see, except for the 10th, your girl was not doing any of the things. And so just to make fair, on a day that I have a no spend, I'm going to actually put that I had an expense to basically counteract that. So come on, get with your girl, okay? And I'm going to basically do that as Sunday, because we like to start off my weekly check-ins from Sunday to Saturday, just like a regular week, child. And so that is what we are going to do. So we are taking our sticker for our dollar figure, and we are gonna put that right here. Y'all, laying down stickers is an art form. Ooh, and I think I'm getting better at it. All right, so like I said, I spent $20, right? $20 on drinking water for work. And so yeah, I put that on the 15th, and like I said, it happened on a no spend day for any other thing, but I did spend this money officially, and it was not a bill, so we are gonna count it, and that was an official no spend days on my list. But every other day, the other days had stuff that happened that would or would not make it a no spend day. But anyways, so that was the 15th that we're gonna charge it. So next we're gonna go into my bills that actually came out during week 3. I don't know why I was gonna say week 16, but week 3. Okay, so dang, the bills was billing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more sections for bills. That's crazy. So let's get, oh, I was like, where's the thing? Let's get, actually I want to do black. I don't really want to do this green color right here. I want to do black. So we're going to do that. So we're going to get a bill due. Oh shoot, I feel like I didn't have much grip. And we had a bill that came out on the 16th, right? And that bill was, what bill happened? Oh y'all, it was a credit card payment. Yeah, man, hey, let me tell you, stupid games win stupid prizes. And this is what I did with this bill. I paid $498.02 to my credit card. When I tell you I was low-key hurt, because I could have put money on in my saving challenges, like I could have been so fire, so bomb, and I had to pay $498.02 towards my credit card because I was doing stupid things. When I tell you low-key hurt, hurt, y'all, hurt. But it's fine, because you know what, it's at 0 now. So it's fine. Give me a round of applause. Round of applause. We are fine. Just fine. Okay, let's not make this video longer than it is. But other than that, it was a no spend day because we did not spend no other money. So as my girl on Journey to Wisdom and Wealth says, if you only paying a bill, baby, you do not count it as a spend day. So I only paid a bill on that day, which I had to, oh God, that's almost $500 for what? Nothing. Irresponsible actions make responsible bills, child. $498.02. But you know what? We live and we learn, and we are learning real heavy today. Next is the 17th. I don't know why I shut it up, because baby, the no spends kept coming. So I had no spend on this day as well. I don't know why I'm feeling all cloudy. You see me all doing the I don't know why, but baby, that was the move apparently, and it is what it is. Now on the 18th, your girl did have to pay a bill. I had to pay my electricity bill. And if you are new here, I live in a dormitory. I am in the military outside of the United States. I live in a dormitory, but I do own a house, which I'm currently in the process of selling. However, ain't nobody bought it yet. So when you're selling the house, you have to keep your lights on and you have to keep your water on. Crazy work, but baby, that's how they do it. And so, right, my electricity bill came out on the 18th, and that was in the amount of $79.13. Child, when I tell you, I was leaving and I was like, can I turn this off? And she was like, no. That's my realtor. My realtor was like, no. And I was like, why? She was like, because when you're showing the house, you need to show them that you have water, that water runs in the home, and light still runs in the home everywhere, so they can, you know, all electricity and stuff shows that it's working. And I was like, oh, all right, I'll pay it. I mean, it's not like I have a choice. So yeah, guys, I'm still paying my electricity and my water at my hold home. This also was a no spend day because your girl was not out here giving nobody her money. All right, nobody. All right, so that was a no spend day, and basically, baby, the rest of the week, no spends all across the board. I felt like Oprah handing these out because baby, everybody could get some. Everybody for the week could get some. I would have been all 7 days, but I had to be fair to myself, and I had to charge for this drinking water because I didn't account for it last week. So to be fair, I had to put that I spend that money. If I put this here, baby, oh, it would have been all right across the board. Oof. I'm top tier this week, y'all. Top tier. And guess what, y'all? Last week, this week was Shark Week. So, baby, I just got to, you know, complete one, and what is this? 10 more days? 9 more days? Oh. What? No. What is this? This is what? Today is the 22nd, right? So I got to complete 23 to the 30th. So 8 more days? Oh, top tier. Mwah. So yes, no spend as well on the 21st. I'm just saying, man, I'm out here. I'm eating the girls up, aka my budget, aka these bills that are trying to come for me but ain't gonna do nothing because they ain't about that life. I'm about that life. I'm about that that no spend life. I need to get 50 no spend days, and right now, let's count it out because you know what? It's for free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A goal accomplished, baby, just off of the week 3. Come on, talk to me. Nice. So let's back it up. You know, because baby, it's a movement. But anyways, y'all, that is the entire video. I told y'all I wasn't supposed to be here long, but you know, we came here for a good time and a little bit of a long time. So it is what it is. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like the video, comment, leave your 2 cents. It ain't much happening on the front because you know what? I said I was going to eat at this defect. I'm dead ass. I'm eating at this defect. They taking out $406.25 out of my check. I want all my money's worth. All of it. And you should be too. And I would do for a check. And they took my check. So it is what it is. So anyways, guys, again, my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.